Welcome, nice trading bros and ladies. Welcome back to another video, and in this video we want to talk about Jasmy coin. If we start here first on crypto bubbles, you can see this day is actually, some are pretty red, some are in good profits, and therefore in the green, like Quant, Keva, GMT. Steppen is unfortunately not in the green today, but as I always tell you, it cannot always go up. Sometimes it has to accumulate, and sometimes it goes a little bit down. But we want to look today in this video at Jasmy coin. So let's start. But before we start, if you're new on this channel and you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't miss this chance. Go and smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and you will get daily new content for Jasmy coin, Tron, GMT token, Dogecoin, Baby Doge, Ape coin, GMT, as I told you, Bitcoin. So don't miss this chance and smash the subscribe button. But right now, let's start with today's TA. In my last videos, I told you about this W pattern, the neckline, the price target, and a potential break through this downtrend line. So this already happened. It pumped pretty good, came down again to retest this neckline, and right now it broke already through the 0.5 Fibonacci level, but there's a little bit resistance above. And actually the next price target, if the 0.5 Fibonacci level will hold here at 0.0260, then the next target is the golden pocket. So that would be another pump of 7 to 8%. So the next step would be the 786 Fibonacci level at 0.03. So that is actually on the shorter time frame the next steps. If we zoom in and look on the hourly chart, then you can see this high here. So it has to take out actually this high on the shorter time frame. That is at 0.0283. Let's mark this out here. This red line. So Jasmy coin has to come over this level to take out this high. Here on the downside, you can see it's making slightly higher lows. It already took out this high, but the next step is this one. Guys, ladies, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and as always, no financial advice. Always do your own research, your own due diligence, and never trust anybody except yourself, because it's your money. If you want to trade, check out my links in the description. You can trade this on Phoenix and Bybit. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, no financial advice. Peace out, guys.